Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up two-step verification in the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu, but we have to go into the profile menu. After tapping on the profile menu, we can scroll down a little bit and find the settings button. We tap on it, and here at the top of the list there is security. We find this button, tap on it, and then at the bottom we find two-step verification. After we tap on this, we add our phone number and verify it. They are going to send us a code that we have to enter, or in some cases the phone enters it by itself, and then two-step verification is done, is set up. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.